In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube Shorts video to your Shopify store. This is a great way to engage visitors with dynamic content that can make your online store even more appealing. Without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by going to your Shopify admin page. Once you're there, you should be on the home page of your store, which is your hub for managing everything related to your business. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Now, look at the menu on the left side and find the link labeled Online Store. This is where you can manage your website's appearance and functionality. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Online Store section, you'll see several options available, but we want to focus on customizing the look of your store. So, find the Themes section and click on Customize. This area allows you to change how your website looks with easy-to-use tools. When you enter the Customize page, you're directly in the editor where all the magic happens. You can design, tweak, and personalize your website to match your brand's identity. In the customization interface, you will see an option to Add section. Click on this to begin the process of adding new content to your website. It'll open up a wide range of options for different types of content you can add. Since we're focusing on embedding a video today, scroll through the options until you find Video. Click on it to add a new video section to your website. At this point, an empty video frame will appear on your editor screen. Now, you'll need to enter the URL of the YouTube Shorts video you wish to include. Simply copy the URL of the Shorts video you want from YouTube and paste it into the designated field in your Shopify customization editor. Doing so tells Shopify where to find the video and ensures it's displayed correctly on your site. After you've entered the URL, everything should look how you intend it, and the video is set to go live on your online store. But don't forget this essential final step. Click on Save in the upper right corner of the screen. Saving your changes ensures everything remains intact, and your video will be visible to visitors on your site. That wraps up our tutorial. By following these steps, you've successfully added a YouTube Shorts video to your Shopify store, making your site more interactive and engaging for your visitors. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy selling!